How to open HSBC bank account online. So if you want to open your HSBC bank account online UK, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser. On your browser, you just need simply search for HSBC Bank UK. Now, once you here have the website, you just need simply scroll down and you will find an option of bank account, right? So you need to go with bank account option, but not the personal and online banking. Once you click on bank accounts, it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down and you need to choose which account that you would like to create. So I'll just simply go with a sole account, not a joint account. If you want to create a joint account, you can go with joint. I'll create my personal account. Once you click on personal or sole, here it will give you the information about the eligibility. So if you're not an existing HSBC customer, then you're eligible and you should be above 18 years of age and you need to currently live in the UK or one of the following countries. You can go and search the eligible countries, which is these many. And if you scroll down, then you will have your information and documents you may need for the application, which is your address for the last 3 years, your employment details, your income details, and proof of identity and address. Now, if you have this information, just go with confirm and start, and it will take you to your application. So there are 5 steps. First one is personal details. So you just need simply tell a bit about yourself, which is your email address, after that title, the first and last name or surname, and then if you had any previous names or are you known by any other names, your gender, your date of birth, your place of birth, your nationality or country or region and citizenship, your marital status, the number of children. If you have any children, you can simply add your children and then go with continue. Now, the second step is about your contact details. So you need to enter your mobile number with the country or region code, and then your current residential address, the country or region, your address or your postcode, your residential status, and when you moved to this address. And after that, click on continue again. And in this way, you just need to simply complete your 5 steps. And once you've completed your 5 steps, and once you've given the information that your HSBC bank is asking for you, then your account will be created. Make sure to enter your general details. And that's it. That's how you can open. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.